Hi there, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Jeep key fob. There are a couple different versions of this. This one has kind of the casing around. If your fob looks like this one, which you can see it's different but slightly different, I'll put a link to this one up here. So for this specific one, I'm going to be using one of the replacement batteries. It takes a 2032 and you get these off Amazon. I've included a link below in the description. I'm also going to be using kind of a small flat tip screwdriver about this size. So first order of business is to remove this key. And you want to do that by on the back half, pushing this down, and using your nail to pull the key out. Sometimes those can be pretty stuck in there. Next, you want to take the mechanical key, or you can just use a regular screwdriver, and split the two halves by inserting it right there. These might come apart as one whole unit, but that's basically how you get access to it. This is where I'm going to be using the small flat tip screwdriver. And I'm just going to pry out the dead battery. You can also remove the board from this case to help ease the process. So your old battery comes out, the new one goes in positive side facing upward. Just want to make sure it's under all three of those tabs, like so. I've also got this pinched right here. Alright, so the battery is under there. And now let's put these halves back together. Give it a good squeeze and put your mechanical key back in and you're all set. Hope that video was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.